Here we are. And there's Ed. Why am I in this? And oh crap. I do horrible videos and I rush through it. The living room, the fireplace, the amazing backyard. And head back down the hall. It's the front door. Coming down to the bathroom. Oh. First bedroom. Second bedroom with a million plugs. And the master bedroom. You can see the outside. Yay! And the master bath. Woohoo! Just a half bath. Good enough. There you go.